Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to connect CoinStats to Binance. So to do that, you have to log into your Binance app. You can also log in through the website. After that, go to the API management, then click on the profile icon at the top right, then select the API management through the drop-down menu. Then after that, under the API management, create a label, which is CoinStats. Then click on create API, then complete any security verification, which is two-factor authentication if required. Then copy the API key and secret key. After that, after creation, you will see the API key and secret key. Then copy them and save them, and save the secret key securely. It shows only once. Then after that, launch the CoinStats app or go to CoinStats app, which is coinstats.app. Then log into your CoinStats account, then connect Binance to CoinStats, then go to portfolio and click add portfolio, then select Binance from the list of exchange. Then enter the APL credentials. So to do that, paste the API key and secret key from Binance, then ensure read-only permissions are enabled on Binance to ensure your account. Then sync your portfolio, then tap on connect to sync your Binance account with CoinStats, and wait for a few seconds for your portfolio data to appear. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to connect CoinStats to Binance. Find the video approved, turn on the notification button, and call for more. Thank you.